Hi there, my name is Mark Doe. I'd like to show you a Bit200 cryptocurrency trading bot. I found it 2 weeks ago while checking the cryptocurrency forums. Here we are on the website. As you can see, it looks pretty straightforward. Um, First of all, let's go to the registration. Great. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty simple. They require you to give name, surname, email address, passwords, and the phone number. Someone may ask a question, why the phone number is needed? Well, basically, they have pretty good customer support, which is able to give it some useful advice, speaking of proper usage of the software, and so I basically recommend you to keep in touch with them. Uh, as well as you can see in the right bottom corner, there is a chat. As well, you can use it like for asking for a call, clearing out some questions and so on. Okay, so then once you are registered, because I already have an account, here is the window, right? Um, this is how it looks like on computer displays. Uh, when I make it narrower, just like that, you can see more or less how it looks like on screens of smartphones or tablets. Pretty similar, right? Okay, going back. So then, here you can see a balance of cryptocurrencies I have currently on my account. Uh, Once you open your account, you'll see a bit bigger balance because this is going to be the demo balance available for 4 hours. So then you can check whether the software works or not. And then after 4 hours, your balance will be zeroed. And as I have already put some funds in it, you can see that there is a real balance, right? Okay, next. Here on the right side, you can see the sprocket icon. The icon will be used frequently by you. Settings icon allows you to change the password you have. Here you have withdraw. Quite simply, withdrawal is regarding withdrawing cryptocurrencies from your account. As you can see, here is the currency you can withdraw. In my case, it would be Bitcoin and Litecoin, right? Yes, Litecoin. And here the address of your wallet. Okay, going to the deposit section. As I told you, once the demo balance is zeroed, you won't have any funds on your account, so then the software will not be able to trade. So then you simply need to put some cryptocurrencies to trade with. As you can see, here's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. The address to which the cryptocurrency should be sent. Uh, Basically, this is the balance the software will be trading. And speaking of the wallets I use, because this is not obviously the wallet, you need to send the money from the wallet. I use Xpro Crypto or Linkcoin as the main wallets because I find them really fast, easy to get, and many of other ones are not so straightforward. So then, if you are not really into or advanced user, these are my priority choices, speaking of the wallets. Okay, let's go back to the main window. On the right side, we can check the charts showing the price change for four available cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Uh, all of them, as you can see, are against US dollar, as basically US dollar is like a gold global currency. And this one is a very useful tool for anyone with some experience with manual trading to see the current trends, right? Uh, when the trends, start, when they end, if we are like in the middle of it. And to make it everything easier, you can see here that there are some time frames to the people who never traded. You know, within a big trends lasting like a couple of weeks, days, or even hours, we have some mini trends, right? And with the mini trends, they can last from like 15 minutes, 1 hour, with small ups and downs, right? As you can see. And the Bit200 software is trading on those mini trends, right? And below you can see active trades, the open trades. For now, as I didn't open any yet, um, this one is empty at the moment. Uh, so then let's open a trade. Later on, I will explain more, right? Something with small risk. Okay, great. So then here you can see buy. With buy, it means that the currency value right now is low and it's going to rise. If it's sell, it means opposite, that the value is high and it's going to drop anytime soon. Okay, here you can see the flowing chart. It shows the price change, the expiry time. As you can see, it's going to end within 5 minutes and a couple of seconds. Here you have the amount of the investment. Remember, this is always the amount of investment is always the amount of cryptocurrency, not dollars, right? And here you can see obviously the profit. Okay, so then basically with open trades, uh, as you can see here are different times as well. The trades have different time frames depending from the nature of the trend itself, from like 1 minute up to uh, 10 minutes. And sometimes you might see that the software will be trading on the two of both buy and sell on the same trend. This is because, as I explained you, here are the small waves. So then if you go here, then it's going to rise, for example, for 1 minute. But if you go here, for the 10 minutes, it's going to drop, right? Okay, so then here you have the history of the trades, uh, all of the ones which have ended. As you can see, the software is not 100% effective, and to be honest, if anyone would have ever stated that the software is 100% or even 90% effective, uh, I would automatically skip them. There's no human force, no software or supercomputer which is able to have such enormous accuracy. The trading markets, are not foreseeable. There might be just some strange statement from the officials, and then the trends will change suddenly, right? Okay, we discussed that. Let's go to the most important part of the software, of course, trading. Here you can have the button Start Auto Trading. Let's click it. Okay, here you select one of the available currency pairs with the cryptocurrency as the first and US dollar as the second. The trade amount, you can set it, but there are some limits to it, and maximum amount of the trades the software can open at the same time. Okay, let's go to the Litecoin because as you can see, I have the biggest balance in the Litecoin. So then, right now, I'm clicking Save. Pretty simple. Trading for pairs has started. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds for the software to start trading. Already started. As I have opened one trade manually, then the software opened just one, right? And another one. So then the software is trading two at the same time, while I can open more manually, even better. Okay, and as you can see, I have made small investments because with the all the trading, even though it's pretty good software, if something unexpected happens, even the best software algorithms might get lost for some time. And this is why I do not recommend anyone to stay as well away from the computer or mobile when software is operating. The general rule, supervise, right? Okay, as the software is trading, we can see the settings for trading. Here with pause trading, you are pausing the trading. The trades which are already opened are going to close the expiry time. Here you can see edits. You can change amount for the future trades and as well the amount of the trades which can be opened by the software at the same time, right? Here, of course, you have delete. By clicking it, I have turned off the auto trading, right? Okay, take a look here with the signals, right? Uh, these signals are what I call the semi-automatic mode. You can see different pairs of the cryptocurrencies and as well arrows. One arrow means that there is a low risk, 2 hours that there is medium risk, 3 hour, three arrows that there's high risk, and 4 arrows that there's a highest risk. And basically, the higher the risk, the lower minimum amount to open trade is, as you can see, right? 0.1 and here 0.01. And of course, you can type in different amounts, but it is basically your decision, right? And once again, I'm clicking open. Oh, it showed me that the amount of this particular moment, I had a couple of trades open, so then let me check it out. Okay, Ethereum USD. And once again, I cannot trade this because I do not have I do not have the Ethereum on my balance. So then what I can trade is Bitcoin and Litecoin. Okay, so then let's go for Bitcoin and USD, right? New trade, new position opened. Uh, and basically those trends with the risk high, low, uh, these are basically based on the outcome of software running its algorithms analyzing the trends of the cryptocurrencies. And basically, this is how the software operates. As I told you, for me, this efficiency is really satisfactory one because this is real account. It's not the demo account as promised by many other companies that it's going to make $200 turn it into 25,000 in 3 days. As I told you, this is not true. What is true is this efficiency, right? Pretty good one. Real software working as promised by the software developer. So then I can freely recommend it to any of you. Thank you for your time and wish we're gonna trade with Bit200 in the future. Take care. Bye.